Hello guys. So this is God's Power. Today I'm going to show you the best top 10 web hosting companies. I know a lot of you will be wondering what is a web hosting company or what is web hosting. I know many of you will be asking that question. Web hosting is a company that those company are company that host your website. Let me say, for example, you want to create a website. You can go to all those companies and go and create your website from, for example, like Wiz, Hostinger, Bluehost, all those companies. You go and create your website, and your website will become live. So that is how it works, and it's very simple. So you need to watch this video from the beginning to the end. I will show you the top 10 best web hosting company, and what they can do for you and how you can still make money with all those web hosting companies. So how you can make partner with them and make money from them too. So you are not just going to create your website, but you are still going to make some money. So that is why we are here today. So I'm going to show you step by step the top 10 web hosting company and how you can make money from each of them. They might be similar, like the same, but they are completely different because they pay in different high commission. So watch me step by step showing you how you can make money or create your website. So let us get started. I will not show you how you can create your website, but I will show you the best web hosting company. So you have to understand about this video. Watch it to the end if you want to make the choice. I have 10 company that can host your website. Is 10. I'm telling you, 10. So you need to pay attention and select carefully if you want to create your website. So before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share on social media. If you like a way on how to make money online, you can come and check my video out and see what is really good and suitable to what you want, and take action and start using the method, the strategy to start making money online. So let us get started. So the first website we are going to talk about today, the best web hosting company, is called InterServer. InterServer is a hosting company that you can go and host your website. Is a web hosting company that can go and host your website for the first time. You can see that you are paying a penny for the first time. So how super, well, I would not say super, but I would say cool. How cool is this? So when you use this coupon code, that is a penny deal, you will get for your first month, you will pay only 1 penny for your first month. So guys, what are you waiting for? Just go and start using InterServer to start making. I will leave all the link of the website I'm going to talk about in the description below. As you can see, let me show you around the website. You can see that they have standard web hosting, and they have ASP.NET, and they have a Boost web hosting, and they have reselling hosting. So it depends on what you are here to do. If you want to do e-commerce, is here. If you want to do free web builder, is there. Cloud app is there. You can even buy your domain from those hosting company, so which is $2 per month. So what are you waiting for? Just go and take action. $2 per month. Oh, that is really cool. I will leave the link in the description below. That is the top one, and I will show you around. You can see they have 24-hour support, and is automizable. They have automation. And in Trustpilot, you can see they are ranking 5 a star on Trustpilot, as you can see here below. So you can see on Trustpilot, they are ranking very well. So you just need to go and start using InterServer to start creating your website if you want. You can see their plan. They have $8, and they have $6, and they have $80 per month, depending on the one you want to use. I prefer you to use this middle one, which is VPS Special. Use that if you really want to start creating your website. So select it and go to the next step, and you pay, and you install WordPress. Is one click, as you can see on the screen here. They are telling us that you can install WordPress in just a click. So that is it, and you enter all your details, install your WordPress, and start creating your website. So we are going to go to the top 2 websites, top 2 web hosting company, which is called Hostinger. Hostinger is a very simple, clean website that you can go and create your website from. It's a web hosting company too that you can go and create your website from. So what are you waiting for? They have ultimate sale right now, 90% off for your first month. You just need to go and start using it. As you can see, you have 17 hours and 33 minutes and 16 seconds to make sure you take action by just buying and buying a domain from them. You get 95% off for the first month. So you have 30 days money back guarantee. All the website I'm going to show you, the top 10 website I'm going to show you, they have 30 days money back guarantee. So don't worry about your money. You can get your money back if you don't like the web hosting company. As you can see, their plan is very affordable. All the plans of all the top 10 websites I'm going to talk about, all of them are very affordable. That is why I'm sharing this with you guys, because I know this will really help those of you who want to host their website. So as you can see, they have the single shared hosting, and they have the premium share hosting, and they have the business share hosting. So which one will I recommend you to take? Take the popular, this one that say popular. You save about 80% of your earning. So as you can see, every month we are paying $1.99. So that is how much it costs for you to get started today. So that is it. And let me say, for example, now let me say if you want to go and start making money with it, but we'll come back to that at the end of this video. So let us go to the top 2. Before we go to the top 2 website, I will show you around hosting guide. You can see on their hosting platform, they have web share hosting, and they have cloud hosting, and they have WordPress hosting, and they have VPS hosting, and they have Mindcracker hosting, and they have Windows VS on their hosting company online. So as you can see, they have it there, and they have their email list, and you can see Google Workplace email hosting, and they have the Think Tank email hosting, and the domain, you can see they have domain checker, they have OAuth database, and they have the domain transfer, which means you can transfer your domain to other web hosting companies. So you don't worry about your problem if you want to transfer your domain or take it to another web hosting. All the whole top 10 websites I'm showing you today, they have it all. So we are going to move to the top 3 web hosting company, which is called NordVPN. So you can go and create your VPN. For those of you who don't understand NordVPN, this is a website that a web hosting company too, that you can use to change your location. Let me say you are in London and there is something you want to do in Canada, and you cannot do it because you are not from the same country. With VPN, you can do that and start changing your location, change your internet server. So you can do a lot of things here on this website. So there's a lot of things you can do. All the whole website I'm showing you, they have all those server system, which means you can change things in just a second. You can change your location and change where you live and change whatever you want to do on your website. So at the end of this video, I want you to watch it to the end so that I will show you how you can make money with those websites. So I will show you step by step, but at the end I will show you how you can make money from those websites for completely free. So as you can see here, that is the top 3, and we're going to the top 4 website that you can go and host your company or host your website. So as you can see, this is OVH Cloud. This is a web hosting company too that you can go and pump your website and start spreading your business around the whole world. What are you waiting for? Just go and spread your business around the whole world. So as you can see here, they have 10% off, 50% off for the first month. You can just go and take action and you start creating your website in just a second. So just go and start making that beautiful enterprise website with OVH Cloud. Just go and try it out. I'm not just telling you to go and try it out, but I'm just telling you to make sure you take action and start securing your business online. So check it out, OVH Cloud. Check it out and see what is good for you and take action. So we are going to go to the top 5 hosting website, which is called turnkeyinternet.net. turnkeyinternet.net. So this this web hosting is a very cool web hosting that I have found very helpful. That the whole web hosting, top 10 web hosting I'm talking about, they have 24-hour support center, which means you will have help from every area you are passing through difficult on your website. There is nothing they cannot do for you. They will help you through. If you want to call them, you can call. As you can see, this is their number. You can call them and start creating your own website and start making money. So that is it, and that is how you can make money with those web hosting that I'm showing you, and that is how you can start creating your website with turnkeyinternet.net. So that is it, and we are going to the top 6 websites that you can go and host your page or host your website. This is webhostpage.com. is a web hosting website that you can go and host your website, host your page, and start making money when you are through to for you. It's very cool. You can go and spread your business around the whole world. So just go and create your website to spread your business around the whole world. So we are going to top 7 websites that you can go and create your page and start spreading your business around the whole world. This website is called ipage.com. ipage.com is a very simple hosting and domain website, and you can do some email marketing on those platforms, which means they give you access to many things that you don't have access to if you are doing other things. So just go and start using it to start making money. As you can see, they have very simple affiliate program that you will earn money for each time you refer people to their program. So that is what we are going to talk about at the end of this video. So we are going to go to the top just talk about the top 8 application. This is the top 7 with this is top 8 application that you can use to make money online or create your website. So this is rebel.com. rebel.com is a very simple website that you can go and host your website and start making money online or spreading your business to different people around the whole world. So that is how they work. So the top 9 website that you can use to make money online is called Bluehost. Bluehost is a very simple web hosting company that you can go and create your website from, and you make money, and you get connected to more customer, to more client, to more people, or to more business partners online. Just go and create your account and start building your website with WordPress from every one of those each website that I showed you today. So at the end of I told you that at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can really make money from those websites. That is when it comes to the area of the affiliate program. So I will start from this Bluehost. So how they work is that it's very simple. So to start making money, you will see affiliate affiliate on the bottom of their page. Sometimes it will be at the top, sometimes it will be at the bottom. It depends. But if you see here now, Bluehost have their affiliate program at the top, and they have it too at the bottom of their website. So if you go to the bottom, you will find it too. Where is it? Yes, you can see program. You can see the program that they have here. You can have their affiliate. You can have access to their affiliate program, and you can make up to 50% from every every traffic you send to them. Everyone you send to them that start using their platform, you get paid about 55% for just using their platform. It depends on the traffic you spend, depend on the time you spend on the traffic. That is how much you get. That it depends on the traffic you send to the link. That is how much you get on Bluehost. So you just need to go and start using it to start making money online by referring people to Bluehost, and you make money. So that is how it works. It's very simple. So the other website too, other company that I showed you to, all of them, they have affiliate program, and you find it at the bottom of the website. So as you can see, rebel.com they have their personal program here. As you can see, the affiliate program is here. You click on it, it will take you to the session. You enter all your information, email and password and everything. You enter how you want to promote the product, and they will review your product in 1 business days, and they will reply you and allow you to start promoting their website. And everyone that visit that website, you get paid. Everyone that make a purchase, you get paid. So that is how it works. The other website too, that is called iPage.com, is still the same thing. If you scroll down to, you will find their affiliate program that you will take advantage of. You will take advantage and start making money. As you can see on the screen here at the bottom, you can see the affiliate here. You click on it, it will take you to the section where you go and apply to the affiliate program, and you make a huge amount of money for promoting their website. So the other website too, that is called web hosting pad, is the same. You make money too. How you make money? By promoting the website. And if you scroll down under the bottom, you will see you will make money for every affiliate program that you for everyone you refer to their website. So that is how it works. When you refer anyone to their website and the person starts using it, you make some commission for doing that. So TunkiInternet.net is still the same thing. They have affiliate program. When you scroll down, you will find their affiliate program under the footer of the website. You can see under the footer here, you can see that where is the affiliate program. Let me cancel this. As you can see, you will have their personal program here, which means you can start promoting their product. You can see the affiliate link here. You click on this affiliate, it will take you to the affiliate program where you can go and apply for their affiliate program and start making money online. It's very simple, and you can start using that method to start creating a lot of income online and make a huge amount of money for completely free. So as you can see, the other website too, that is called ovhcloud.com. You can see too, when you scroll down to, you will find their affiliate program, and you can apply and start promoting their product or promoting their website, and you get paid for just doing that. So that is it, guys. You just go to the bottom of the page of each website you visit, and you will find affiliate program. NordVPN is the same too. When you go to at the bottom of their website, you will find their affiliate program, and you can apply and start making money for referring people to their affiliate program, and you get paid for every person that apply with the link you send to them. So that is how it works. Everyone you send to their website, exactly with the link that they give to you, you will make some commission for just doing that. So Hostinger too is just the same thing. When you go to the bottom of the page of Hostinger, you will have access to their affiliate program and start making money with it. So it's very simple, and you can make money too by just referring people to this program, and by creating website too, you make money too. And you make money by just telling people, oh, this website is very good, go and check it out, and you send them a particular link, and when they click on that link, you make some commission. That is how it works. It's very simple. Partner with all those websites that I showed you, and take action and start making a huge amount of money online, which is very, very good, which will be very helpful to you, and you can take action for just doing that, referring people, and you make up to 30% for that. As you can see on the screen, this is the affiliate program. As you can see, watch my mask. This is the affiliate program. You click on it, and it will take you to the affiliate section where you have to register, enter the experience you have, and they will verify your account. within 1 business days. So the last website, which is the first website I showed you, which is called interserver.net, is a simple website too that you can go and start promoting their website, which is promote this web hosting company. Now you can create your website with them at the first line, and this second line is showing you how you can make money with them. And yeah, you make money with them, and that is it, guys. It's very simple. All you just need to do is to go to the bottom, like I usually says, and go to the bottom. You will find it. This is the affiliate program, as you can see on the screen here that I'm rolling with my mouse. And as you can see here, click on the refer program. It will take you to the refer program. You apply, they send you a particular link, and you use the link to you copy the link and start promoting that link to people. And when people visit the website, you get paid. When they pay, when they make a purchase like buying a domain or start a web hosting or create their website from this interserver.net, you get paid for doing that, for sending people to this website. So that is how it works, guys. I showed you the top 10 websites that you can really use to make money. So all I just want you to do today is just for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. That is only what I do. That is only what I want you to do. And I will leave the link of the website, all the website that I just talked about, all the whole website, or not one, but all the whole website. You will see the first link. Click on the first link. It will take you to my blog, and through my blog, you will see all the whole link of each website and each web hosting company, and how you can get started and what you can get. So click on the first link, which is my blog, that I blog about this particular project, a particular tutorial, a particular way on how you can create your website. Just go and check it out. Click the first link in the description and check it out and see if it's what you really want, and take action. Create your website and expand your business. Spread your business to people and let them take action on your website. Start making money with your website. What are you waiting for? It's time. We are in 2021. Why are you during yourself? Create your website and take advantage of many things that you have never been taking advantage of, and start connecting with millions of people all over the world. With a website, you can connect to up to 2 billion people online, or 3 billion or 10 billion, depending on how you drive your traffic. Let us keep pumping. This is God's power. All I just want you to do again is to subscribe to my YouTube channel. That is all I want from you. And yeah, that is it. I say thank you very much if you watch this video to the end, and let us keep pumping. So we are going to head back to my channel. So if it's your first time of coming, like I'm saying again, showed you how you can. Are you waiting for? Why are you wasting your time over many companies, which you can decide which one you want to follow, you want to use? And I showed you too which the better way, the most better way. I showed you how you can make money with this website. So what are you waiting for? Why are you wasting your time over many things, over blooding things that doesn't give you any profit? So you are making a profit from this. The profit you are making from this is that you are making money for promoting their product, even when you are using their website. So that is it, guys. I want to end the video right now. Say thank you very much if you watch it to the end, and see you soon a way on how to make money online. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to like I'm saying as usual. And don't forget to follow me on my YouTube channel, and check out my website. It will be at the top below, or at the top or below. Check it out and see what is good for you. And peace out and bye bye.